Samsung Semiconductor today revealed a special type of DRAM that the company claims is perfect for mobile AI, artificial intelligence, and gaming applications. It's called LLW DRAM, which is short for Low Latency Wide I/O. Samsung initially announced that it was developing LLW DRAM back in January this year at Tech Day. The company also talked briefly about LLW in October at Memory Tech Day, where it introduced HBM 3E Shinebolt and LPDDR5XKM2 solutions. Today, Samsung reminded everyone of its LLW chip through a video. Samsung Semiconductor took to X, formerly Twitter, to publish a 44-second ad showcasing LLW DRAM. Judging by this video, the LLW solution usually sits right next to the CPU on a SoC, which makes sense given its low latency claims. But interestingly enough, the video suggests that LLW chips will work alongside the CPU rather than replacing traditional DRAM altogether. Samsung is already preparing new AI features for the next flagship, including AI Live Translate Call, which the company confirmed will be coming early next year. And Samsung will supposedly showcase the S24 as an AI phone. All things considered, perhaps the Galaxy S24 will also be used as a launchpad for LLW DRAM. Samsung is rumored to unveil the next flagship phone in San Jose on January 17th. We'll keep you posted as more details emerge.